Hi everybody, I hope you had lots of fun putting your ducks inside your nest. You rolled the dice and found the number to match the amount of spots. Then you put that many ducks into your nest. In this nest we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots, which means I found number 6. I put that many ducks into my nest. I'm going to do the same on this one. This one's got the letter N, which makes the N sound. N. So we're going to make another nest. Now this time I'm going to use my pipe cleaners because they make quite a good nest. Let's put them on. Okay, let's do it again. Take my dice, roll my dice, count up the amount of spots. Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3. 3. That means I need to find number 3. I can't think what number 3 looks like. I'll use my number line to help me. 1, 2, 3. That's number 3 right there. That means I need to find number 3 now I know what it looks like. What one is number 3? Do you think number 3 is the one at the top or the bottom? That's right. Number 3 is at the bottom. This is number 3. This isn't number 3, it's number 5. I put number 3 next to my nest or in my nest. Now I need 3 ducks. 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 ducks. Now to extend learning, you might like to write some letter sounds on the bottom of your ducks underneath. This one's got the T. Let's give him a name. T, T, T. I know. T, O, M. Tom. Oh, this one has got the T as well. Shall we give this one a name? T, I, M. Tim. We've got Tom and Tim. What about this one? This one's got the M. What could we name this one? Have you got any ideas? Okay, let's name this one Mick. Ick, Mick. We've got Tom, Tim and Mick. So if you want to, you might like to put letters on underneath your ducks, and then you can talk about what letters you've got underneath your duck. What letters are they hiding? This one's got the N, this one's got the T. Maybe you can think of different names for your ducks. Oh, oh, oh. What name can you think of that begins with an O? Oh, oh, Olivia. Oh, k, 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 k. What about Katie? Or Callum? What else have we got? Well, there's another O. And there's an Emma. Come up with different names for your ducks. Now, we've got 2 different nests with 2 different numbers. This one is number 3 and this one is number 6. Now, I'm going to take another chalkboard. I'm going to rub out any writing that's on it. And now, I'm going to record these numbers on my chalkboard. You might like to do this on a piece of paper. So we've got number 3. 3. And we've got this number, which is number 6. Let's write number 6. Now, what if we add these 2 nests together? I wonder how many ducks there are all together. I'm going to move these ones because you're not actually in the nest, little duckies. So you go and have a sleep over there. Now, we've got 3 and 6. I'm just going to do 3 spots under number 3 and 6 under number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need to add these numbers together. Who do we call when we do our adding? Do you know? You do? That's right, we're going to call Percy Plus. Can you help me call for Percy Plus? Percy Plus, Percy Plus, Percy Plus. I can hear Percy Plus coming. Percy Plus to the rescue. Show me your Percy Plus. That's it. Percy Plus is here. Let's put Percy Plus. Oops. Percy Plus in the middle. Now, how are we going to work out the answer? Eddie equals, that's it. Let's call Eddie equals. Eddie equals, Eddie equals is coming. Eddie equals to the rescue. Eddie equals is here. Now, Eddie equals is going to help us work out the total number if we add together 3 and 6. Let's count up the amount of ducks we've got. I'll need your help when it comes to counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What does number 9 look like? Let's use the number line to help us. Help me count, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's number 9. I could even draw us right over the top of my number 9. Helps me do my writing. I've covered this in a clear plastic, which means it's wipeable. Now I know what number 9 looks like. I can write my number 9 on my board. 3 plus 6 is 9. Should we just check we're right? Because we put these dots on. That helps us do our checking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We were right. 3 and 6 makes 9. There we go. So extend learning by writing letters on the bottom of your ducks. And then you could start recording numbers. You could record them on the same board you've got your ducks on, if you wanted to. And then if you wanted to, you could do them on another, either a piece of paper or something to write on, whether it's a chalkboard or a whiteboard or a piece of paper. But have fun adding together the 2 nests and see if you can work out the total number by slowly touching the duckies to find out. Have lots of fun. Goodbye, everyone.